We are the last of the smokers. Open fires are illegal. I want a lick of lead paint. I want love to have real repercussions, consequences. No more pills for the virus. Let it grow inside out. Let it eat you alive. I'm pulling from a Smith weight, a death card you can't survive. It is no symbol for change. This is the end of your life. Don't press pause on depression. Turn it off altogether. It's been your funeral since birth, since he put the baby in her. He's the original saint. She's the original sinner. He's the original saint. She's the original sinner. Through my faults, through my faults, through my most grievous, through my faults, through my... And I am thanking God for all the work that I have done to love those faults He's installed. The devil's real, he looks divine. In his pink feather boa, he drives a pink Chevrolet on a road halfway to nowhere. He says when it's gonna hurt, the fact you know drives you mental. He's doing God's dirty work. He pays well, includes dental. Through my faults, through my faults, through my most grievous, through my faults, through my... Screw the natural law. When God made Adam and Eve, He installed one fatal flaw. He drew from a Smith weight a death card you can't survive. It is no stairway to heaven. It's the end of your life. The first breath ever taken was intended for choking. The original death card. Through my most grievous, through my faults, through my... And I am thanking God for all the work that I have done to love those faults He's installed. The original death card.